or a chekron when Monaco Marche Bejamadom Kumano Bano then he kiss a lato forcing. Watch her say, Bayanka, 1 year change na. And Pedifua Bobino, my one more crying now one for petition. Uncle Bank of Ghana, and Concoma Governor, your one Mr. One some way, 1 month summer watch show Eddie Brenny.
Representative from the police headquarters, let me also say that we are grateful. But I want to assure you that the NDC minority does not mean harm. We are going to embark on a simple, peaceful protest. It is my belief that this protest will be one of the most peaceful protests we have ever witnessed. We are going to stick to our agreement. We will move from here as and when we are ready. We will stick to the rules. We will do a U-turn. That is where we have a disagreement on. We believe that at the end of the day, we will terminate at the end of your security zone. But the leadership of the NDC minority, which you know is not a large group, must be allowed to see the governor at the central bank to deliver our petition to him as a person, because we think that what we are doing is in the interest of this country, and we believe that it is in the interest of every citizen for us to do what we are embarking on, and this will go a long way to improve on our governance and the way our democracy is working.